Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to offer free shipping in WooCommerce, but we are going to charge shipping charges for heavy item in WooCommerce WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in cart page and then you see shipping, free shipping, and then in cart page you see we have 3 items. And then you see ceramic bird. Now you see product weight 30 kg. So this is our heavy item. So when user add this product in cart page, then we are going to charge amount for this product. If user not add in cart page this product, then we are going to offer free shipping. Now you see. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see WooCommerce and then you see settings. So click on it. And then you see shipping tab. So again click on it. So if you charge some amount or price for heavy item or product, then you need shipping classes. So click on it and then we are going to assign shipping class to any product, heavy item product. So we are in shipping classes and then you see we create shipping class, heavy item, first product, second product. Now you see product count we assign. So you can create shipping class and then you can assign in product. So this is our heavy product, ceramic bird. And then you see we are in product data and then you see shipping and then you see shipping class, first product we assign. So we are going to charge amount for this product if user add in cart page. So you can assign or create multiple shipping class and then assign to multiple product. So it's up to you. So we assign first product shipping class to this product. Now back to WooCommerce setting and then you see product count 1. Now go to shipping zone, so click on it. So we are in shipping zone. Now you see shipping method, free shipping. We already created. Now click on edit. Now we are going to charge flat rate or delivery fee for heavy item product. Now you see add shipping method, so click on it. Now select flat rate, so again click on it and then click on continue. Now you see name flat rate, so you can add name according to your requirement. Now you see flat rate heavy item, now select. And then you see tax status taxable, cost 0. So add cost 0 here. And then you see class first product shipping class cost. So we are going to charge $100 if user add heavy item product in cart page. If user add 2 heavy item in cart page, then we are going to charge 200. Now you see question mark. Enter a cost or sum 10 into quantity. Now you see 100 multiply bracket QTY for quantity bracket close. So if user add heavy item product 4 times, then multiply by 100 is equal to 400. Now you see first product is heavy item and then click on create, save. Now you see created. We have 2 shipping method. Now go to cart page and refresh the page. Now you see we are in cart page and then you see shipping method, free shipping. Also you see flat rate heavy item because we have this product in cart. First we are going to remove it, so click on it. Now you see ceramic bird remove. Now you see flat rate not show. Again add, undo. Now you see added again. Again you see flat rate heavy item, but you see 2 shipping method. Now we are going to add custom code. And we are going to show right shipping method according to our condition cart page. If we have this product in cart page, then free shipping remove. If we don't have this product in cart page, then free shipping show and flat rate remove. So we are going to add custom code. So now we are going to add custom code. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin, so click on add plugin. Then in search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code, insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see code snippet and then you see add snippet, so click on it. So we are going to add custom code and in custom code we are going to add shipping class slug and shipping method ID and then you see add your custom code, so again click on it. Now select PHP snippet, so click on it. Now create custom snippet section open and then you can add title and then you see code per view. Now paste code and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. Now you see in custom code, check for either heavy shipping class. Now you see shipping class first hyphen product, we add it. If you have more than one shipping class for heavy item, then you can add or condition, and then you see shipping class second part, shipping class is equal to second product, but we have only one. So if you want, you can remove it, so it's up to you, or if you want, you can add it if you have more shipping class. And then you see free shipping ID, free underscore shipping colon 54, flat underscore rate colon 55. So this is our shipping method ID. Now go to cart page. Now you see free shipping, right click on it and then click on inspect. So we are in inspect element, and then you see value of free underscore shipping colon 54. So you can add your value. Now you see flat rate, right click on it, inspect. Again you see flat rate colon 55 we added. So you can add your shipping method ID and shipping class lug. Now back to custom code, so we add it, and then you see if product has heavy item, then remove free shipping. Now you see unset and keep flat rate. If cart has no heavy item, then remove flat rate, keep free shipping. Now you see insert and then you see unset flat rate. Now you see free shipping. Now scroll down, you see in some method auto insert location, run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. So after that we are going to remove WooCommerce cache for shipping method. Now snippet created and activated. So after that we are going to remove WooCommerce shipping cache. Now go to WooCommerce and then we are in shipping zone worldwide. Now you see shipping method, first disable and then click on save changes. After that we are going to enable it again. So in this way you can remove shipping method cache. Again enable and then click on save changes. Now done, go to cart page and refresh the page. Now you see in cart page we have heavy item, and then you see flat rate $100, free shipping remove. Now we are going to remove it, heavy item, from our cart page in WooCommerce. Now you see ceramic bird remove, heavy item remove from cart page, and then you see free shipping method show. Again add, and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. If you have more than one shipping class, then you can add with or condition. So we added first product. Now go to cart page. Now heavy item added, and again you see flat rate, free shipping in WooCommerce, but we are going to charge shipping charges for heavy item in WooCommerce WordPress. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.